Hey, hi friends. Good morning. Welcome to day 14 session of free digital marketing training and internship provided by 360DigiTMG. It's me, Subramaniam. And before we get into social media marketing, what did we discuss yesterday? Let us quickly recap the yesterday's session. Right, friends? Okay, so what did we discuss yesterday? We discussed about submissions correction and also backlink tracking. Right, friends? Okay, so we discussed about only submission corrections and backlink tracking. In today's session, we'll be discussing about powerful media channel is social media in digital marketing. Right, friends? What is the powerful media channel? Marketing platform is social media marketing. This very, very powerful, friends. Okay, so what are the platforms we are going to discuss in today's session? We'll be discussing about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so quickly look into the platforms and what is the purpose of marketing in social media. Will be getting brand awareness and also engagement. We will see what are the engagement metrics that we are going to analyze. Okay, so in social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, these are the powerful platforms and also it helps brand awareness and engagement. Okay, so for each and every platform, there are different engagement metrics, friends. Okay, if you take Facebook, you'll be seeing like, comment, share. That is a engagement metric for Facebook, right, friends? When it comes to YouTube, comment, share, like, dislike. These are the engagement metrics for YouTube. Clear, friends? And when it comes to Instagram, what are the engagement metrics for Instagram? Instagram engagement metrics for Instagrams are share, comment, DM, stories. All these are all engagement metrics for Instagram. Okay, when it comes to Twitter, recently they renamed it to X. Okay, in Twitter, what are the engagement metrics? Retweet, okay, and like and reshare. Okay, so these are the engagement metrics for Twitter. Okay, and before we get into platform wise, we'll be discussing Facebook. First, we'll take Facebook. Okay, Facebook is a meta platform. In meta, there are multiple platforms are there: Thread, Instagram, and Facebook, and WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also a platform of Meta, right, friends? Okay, so you take any posting, we need to use eye-catching images and also engaging captions or description. Description is very, very important, friends. Okay, before we posting any description, we'll by with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, with those tools create the we can create the description. See, when it comes to SEO, we can take help of ChatGPT, but we should not take entire content from ChatGPT and post it on website. Okay, that is a low quality content. When it comes to social media, anyways, social media won't ban you if you use chat gpt or deepseek content, right, friends? Okay, so for that case, okay, only for social media platforms, okay, you take any platform like YouTube also we can take, and meta platforms also we can take, and Twitter, Snapchat, Josh, all these platforms are social media platforms, right? For all these platforms we can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right, friends? And we need to create the engaging captions like emojis, okay, content, bullet pointers, all those things we can, with the help of ChatGPT or DeepSeek, we can mention and we can post the content on Facebook. Right, friends? And also, we need to use eye-catchy images. If you're not using eye-catchy images, then you won't get any engagement. Okay, people should engage with our content, right? Whenever we post the details on Facebook, right, friends? Okay, and also we need to use hashtags and keywords. Okay, so we'll take one example. Okay, so when it comes to hashtags, with the help of ChatGPT or DeepSeek, yes, we can create the hashtags, and also with the help of Twitter. Okay, with the help of Twitter, we can see the trending hashtags in Twitter platform. Okay, we can take those trending hashtags and put it in all the social media platforms and create eye-catchy images. That too, it should be relevant to our business, right, friends? Okay, and in the CTA or in the description, okay, we need to use CTA. Include CTA, call to action, like learn more, sign up, want to skyrocket your career, upskill in your career. Okay, right? Those kind of CTAs we need to use, right, friends? Okay, so if anyone didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our LinkedIn page, Instagram page, okay, and Facebook page. These are very, very important, friends. And on daily basis, from today onwards, we'll be posting all the questionnaires related to digital marketing. Okay, this will help your career. Okay, you need to engage with those questions. You need to write the correct answers. Right, friends? Okay, and when it comes to posting on Facebook, we need to use we need to use eye-catchy images and also engaging captions. Okay, engaging description we need to mention on the post. And what is the second point? Second point is need to use hashtags and keywords. Okay, what is the third point? Before posting any description, just include the CTA in the description, and also on the image you can use CTAs like eye-catching, engaging CTAs like learn more, sign up, okay, skyrocket your career. Okay, so like that we need to use engaging CTAs, call to action buttons, right, friends? And what are the content guidelines we need to post? What are the content guidelines we need to use when it comes to social media? Okay, so we need to keep it very short, friends. Okay, we need to keep it very short, clear, and it should be relevant to the image. Okay, we need to keep it short, very short, and it should be very clear. Whatever message we are posting on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or Twitter, it should be very clear and relevant. Okay, don't use any irrelevant content and all. Okay, keep it very short, clear, and relevant. And we need to use high quality images or engaging videos. Okay, so that's why whenever we produce any content, be it social media, be it Google Ads, be it um, SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so we need to use engaging visuals, right, friends? Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, and we need to maintain consistent branding. Whenever we post any image video, okay, our logo should be there, right, friends? Okay, without logo people can't recognize, right? Okay, we need to maintain consistent branding. Okay, what are the content guidelines for postings, social media postings? Keep it very short, clear, and relevant. Use high quality visuals, and also maintain consistent branding. Okay, in logos, yes, logos also we need to mention on the images, videos, okay, and also PDF documents. Okay, when it comes to LinkedIn, okay, we can post document, that is a document kind of content. Okay, right, friends, and we also need to engage with the relevant audience. For that, we need to join relevant groups. Okay, so engage with niche communities. Okay, we need to engage within niche communities like Reddit is a vast platform, right? That is a huge community. Okay, in Reddit, what we can do is we can search for relevant communities like data science, data analytics, digital marketing, full stack, okay, and also projects. All these are all relevant communities. Okay, in that communities you will find relevant people. Okay, we can engage in those communities with 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 relevant audience. I've taken only one example, that is Reddit. When it comes to Quora, okay, in Quora also you'll be having lot of communities and questionnaires. Okay, we need to give proper answer to those questionnaires, and we need to engage in those relevant communities. Okay, by doing that we can reach audience, that to relevant audience. Okay, and also it helps in brand visibility and traffic growth. Okay, whenever you post some content on the those groups like Reddit, Quora, just mention our hyperlink. Just give the hyperlink. Okay, by doing that, interested people will click on that particular anchor text, and they will explore directly. They will land onto our website or landing pages, and they will explore more details. Right, friends? Okay, it helps in brand visibility and traffic growth. Okay, what is the purpose of joining relevant groups, friends? The main purpose of joining in relevant groups are engage with we can engage with niche communities. Okay, and also it helps in brand visibility and traffic growth. Right, friends? And also, what are the engagement metrics of Facebook? Okay, so here is the interesting concept. Okay, what are the engagement metrics? Like, share, comment. Okay, and when it comes to video, you will be having one more metric called views, right? Okay, what are the engagement metrics for Facebook? Like, share, comment. Okay, so likes boost visibility. Okay, after posting, if your content is very engaging, people will like your post, right? Once you get within span of 30 minutes or 1 hour, so okay, if you get more than 1000 likes, then automatically Facebook algorithm will boost your post without any paid marketing. Okay, it will show like-minded, like that is lookalike audiences. It will show to our lookalike audiences, similar audiences, right, friends? Okay, it will boost our visibility. Okay, comments increases reach. Okay, if you get 100 or 150 comments, okay, straight away it will show to all relevant audiences. Okay, and shares expand audiences. These three metrics are very very important, friends. Okay, if you share the post to your relevant audiences or to your friends or college groups, okay, it will expand your audience. Okay, so what are the engagement metrics for Facebook? There are 3 to 4 engagement metrics for Facebook. One is like, share, comment, and video views. That is also there. Okay, when it comes to when you post videos, okay, likes boost visibility and comments increase the reach. Okay, and when it comes to shares, it will expand your audiences. It will show to many people. Okay, and what is the task for today? When it comes to task for today's session, you need to create one post using any keyword. That too, it should be very engaging. You can also create GIF images, friends. Okay, that is also one good reach. Okay, so we can use GIF images and also design an image and write a caption. With the help of Canva, you just design an image and also write a captions. With the help of ChatGPT, we can use few prompts. Okay, where you will get all those prompts? You can ask ChatGPT itself. Okay, what is the best prompt to use engaging description to post on Facebook? You just type that question, it will give you prompt. Okay, in future session, we'll also see how we can use ChatGPT. Okay, for digital marketing purpose, right, friends? With the help of Canva, you can design the engaging image. Okay, and we can just write the captions with the help of DeepSeek. Okay, and you can submit that task in our LMS, learning management system. Yesterday we had a orientation session, right, friends? Yesterday we had a orientation session, and also, if possible, in today's session also, not in today's session, today also, maybe in the evening or afternoon, we'll conduct one more orientation session. Okay, if anyone didn't attended that orientation session, you just attend that orientation session and we'll come to know how to access LMS, friends. Okay, we have AI capabilities. We integrated all our AI capabilities in our LMS, that is learning management system, called AiSPRY.com. AiSPRY.com. Okay, you can submit the complete task details in LMS, learning management system. Okay, so quickly recap the sessions. Okay, what is the content guidelines we need to follow to post it on Facebook or any social media? We need to keep it very short and it should be very clear and relevant. Okay, we need to use high quality visuals. When I say high quality visuals, you can use images or GIFs, 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 GIFs images, and also videos. Okay, and we need to maintain a brand consistency. Okay, for brand consistency, just mention the logos. Okay, apart from that, we need to join the relevant groups. Okay, you just join all the relevant groups, friends. Okay, so you will get lot of information. Okay, if you connect with relevant audiences, we can engage with the niche communities, the two relevant communities. It helps in our brand visibility and it will also improve our social organic traffic. In SEO, there is one more metric called social organic traffic. That is very, very important. Okay, to improve your or social media traffic, right, friends? And what is the next part? Engagement. When we discuss about engagement, there are 3 to 4 main metrics are coming. One is like, share, comment, and views. Okay, likes boost visibility, comments increases the reach, shares expand audiences. Right, friends? Okay, we'll quickly review few of the social media details. Okay, and on page document is done. Okay, let us quickly copy the social media observation tracker. Okay, So when we discuss about Facebook, let's mention the Facebook. Okay, so we will quickly see the engagement metrics of Facebook. Okay, let's quickly go to our 360 digit MG Facebook. This is our 360 digit MG Facebook page, right, friends? See how many followers we have. We have 297k. It means 2,97,000 people are liking our page. And also, how many likes we got? We got close to 3 lakhs likes. This is the engagement metrics, right, friends? Okay, this is what you have to learn in digital marketing. Okay, so this is very, very important, friends. Okay, and what is the main observation here? Yes, there is one more main observation. Here we have toll free number and also we mentioned our WhatsApp number. Okay, right? In website we can also we have one more number. That number also we can mention in the image. Okay, all these QR codes are, it will take you through those respective platforms. Okay, right, friends? So see, recently one person got placed in bdb.ai. Okay, so we need to use high visual quality images. See, we have mentioned their logo and also our logo is also there on the post, and this is a high quality image. Okay, here we are also we are also passing one more metric. Okay, so that is brand consistency, right? We need to maintain our brand consistency. Okay, and when you click on see more, see, with the help of AI tools, along with the help of AI tools, we need to give this content to our content writers. They will review the content completely and they will humanize the content. Okay, and see, all these are all relevant hashtags, right, friends? And see, here we have used emojis and CTA is there, right? So what people will do, people will click on this YouTube and they will straight away go to YouTube platform and they can watch the success story. Click on the YouTube link. See, okay, see, people can watch the success story. Okay, so he is our Bharani Kumar, CEO, and he is our successful placed participant. Okay, he has placed in data engineer field, the two bdb.ai, right, friends? Okay, so this is how we need to engage with the relevant audience through social media platforms. Okay, so this is one video. Okay, so this is a internal company team. Okay, so they are actually, so we just conducted fun Friday activities, friends. Okay. Hmm. See, and also a lot of programs are happening on YouTube live. Okay, if anyone interested to watch those programs, that too for free of cost, you can watch those programs and you will get lot of knowledge. This helps to improve your career, to get better salaries in future, right, friends? Okay, so this is the Facebook platform. In the same way, let us analyze let us analyze LinkedIn. See, friends, everyone has to follow our LinkedIn page. How many followers do we have? It's close to 55,000. The two all are relevant audiences. right friends? Yeah. So all these people are our employees. Okay. So when it comes to LinkedIn engagement metrics, what are the LinkedIn engagement metrics? One is like, comment, share. When it comes to Facebook, same options, right? Facebook also same options, like, comment, send, share. Okay. If you click on send, it will directly take you through WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is also a platform of Facebook, right? Yeah. Okay. See, we just posted engaging content. Okay. And also document. Okay. When it comes to social media, the to LinkedIn, we can post the document. Okay. So how many likes we got? 44 likes. Right, friends? See, we need to have proper relevant text. Okay. So with the help of DeepSeek or ChatGPT, you can create relevant few relevant descriptions or captions. Okay. See, high catchy images we need to use. Okay. If you don't use high catchy images, you won't get any engagement. Okay. We need to reach wider audience, right? After reaching wider audience, we'll get relevant audiences. With the help of all these platforms, we can reach out everyone. Okay, this is LinkedIn, and you have to follow our LinkedIn page. And from today onwards, you'll be posting all the interview questions. Okay, yeah, this is our Facebook page. And also, when it comes to Instagram, okay, see how many followers we have. We have 33,000 followers on Instagram. How many posts we have done? 1,000, close to 1,700 posts. Okay, so you can also create all these links. Okay, so whenever we create all these links, you just mention those hyperlinks, testimonials, LinkedIn, Telegram, quiz. Okay, clear friends? All these are highly engaged images. Okay, so we are just seeing post. When it comes to reels are also, see how many views we are getting. People are engaging with our content, right? Without engaging with our content, we won't get views, right friends? This is very, very important. Okay, whenever we post on any details on Instagram, social media, you take any platform of social media, we need to use high engaging images. Also, we need to use high catchy visuals, attractive visuals, and also GIF images. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can post your questions on chatbot. Okay, that is YouTube chat. Okay, so what is the task for today? The task for today is create a post. Okay, minimum one post. Okay, you can create up to 5-6 posts. Just practice, friends. Okay, with the help of Canva or with the help of ChatGPT or DeepSeek, you can practice the captions. Okay, so what are all the elements we can have in the description? Okay, that task you need to submit it on LMS, learning management system. Okay, clear friends? And what are the observations? Observations in this session, no observations. I didn't find any observations. One thing is Facebook cover photo. Okay, Facebook cover pic. Yes, we can try to change the image. Okay, we'll take all the suggestions from everyone and we'll come up with one good cover pic. Okay, so change the cover pic. right friends? And also LinkedIn. Okay, change the LinkedIn cover photo. Okay, in the same way, change the YouTube banner, right friends? YouTube banner. Okay, so in Instagram, yes, we cannot change, we cannot put, cover photo. Anyways, we have a logo in the place of profile pic. That is, no need to change that cover pic. Sorry, no need to change the profile pic. In similar way, Twitter. Let us quickly check the Twitter. Where is our Twitter logo? Okay, just click on X. That is our Twitter. Okay, it will directly redirect to Twitter. Pixie. Based on the platform metrics, see, each and every platform will have different audiences. Okay, so if you take myself, I won't use Twitter much. Okay, and I'll use Facebook, not Facebook, Instagram and YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, based on the platform, we need to have proper cover photos. Right, friends? In each and every photo, just try to mention your website QR code. It will improve our traffic. Okay, so this is also one observation. Okay, see, digital book, we have one high, engaging, readable and practice digital book. Okay, so you can suggest this digital book to your friends who is looking for data science. Okay, the two free of cost, friends. Okay, for this digital book we don't charge anything. Okay, so they can download the uh, data science book, digital book. Okay, and they can practice the data science concepts. Okay, and what, how many views we got? We got 2.4k views in Twitter. See, this is amazing, right? Okay, so that's how we need to engage with the audience in Twitter, right friends? Okay, so this is also one observation. Okay, just take the screenshot. Okay, just take the screenshot and put it in the document. Okay, this is for the reference purpose. We can change the Twitter cover pic. Clear, friends? Any doubts? You just put your doubts on YouTube chat. Okay. So we can change the Twitter cover pic. That is one observation. And also we can also come up with some good Facebook cover pic and also LinkedIn cover pic. Okay, so because we have mentioned all the similar kind of cover pics. Okay, so instead of mentioning similar kind of cover pics, we can come up with new design, that too engaging cover pics. Right, friends? Okay, so what is the task for today's session? Let's quickly discuss about the today's task. Okay, today's task is you need to create minimum one post. Okay, and mention the keyword and come up with some engaging visuals, be it image or be it video or GIFs. Okay, and also join in relevant groups. Okay, friends, join in relevant groups. By joining in relevant groups, we can engage with the audiences, the two relevant audiences. Okay, with the help of Canva, just create an image. Okay, and write a captions with the help of Canva. Just create an image and write a captions, and also by using ChatGPT, yes, you can write the captions. The two, you can mention few emojis. After mentioning emojis, let's have CTA buttons. What do you mean by CTA? Call to action. And you can submit the task in LMS portal. Okay. What is our LMS portal? It's AiSPRY.com. Okay. AiSPRY.com. See, this is our AI capabilities LMS. Okay. It has all the AI capabilities. LMS is nothing but learning management system. Okay, AiSPRY is our learning management system. It has all the capabilities, friends. Okay, so you need to submit your assignments in this LMS portal. Okay, you just watch our orientation session, how we can access this LMS portal. Okay, and also try to attend today's orientation session. If possible, we'll discuss once again. Clear, friends? Okay, now our task is done. Okay, what is the task for today's session? Okay, so that anyways will you can put it on our LMS portal. Okay, hope everyone is working on the submissions and also everyone is working on the on-page metrics. That is very important, friends, to get Amazon coupon code. After that, you will have a chance for to take paid internship. Okay, right, friends? It's very important. You can also skyrocket your career in digital marketing, that too practical digital marketing. You can learn all the concepts of Google ads, email marketing, WhatsApp automation. Okay, once you get into internship, right, that is a paid internship. Okay, we will give you stipend, right, friends, that too for serious digital marketers. Okay, for eligible candidates, we'll be giving you the stipend. Right, friends? Okay, so that's all for today's session. In tomorrow's session, we'll discuss about other social media platforms. The two in-depth discussions will be there. Okay. All right, friends. Okay, so let me stop the live. Okay, so we'll connect tomorrow morning, friends. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining the session. And also, before leaving, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay, thank you, friends. Bye.